So you're gonna follow me on a day of princess photo shoots. So I get to be Ariel, Sebastian's gonna be there. We just get to play with a bunch of cute little kids for like 4 hours in little like 10-minute increments. And there's a photographer and she gets a bunch of photos, and I'm gonna film a little like behind the scenes stuff. Avery's gonna film from his perspective, which is very different. So please follow me on my little mermaid adventures. I start by braiding my hair back, which I can pin my wig to later. By the way, my top is super cute, and I made it on a cricket, and it has shells on it. I love it. That's me filling in my eyebrows, and yes, I am using red eyeshadow. Gotta make the wig look natural. And then I actually start on my real eyeshadow, which I decided to stick with like really soft pinks because she doesn't wear visible makeup. Plus my palette smells like strawberries and I like that. And then I'm going to put on like gobs of mascara because I have a fear of losing a false lash while talking to a little kid. And then this bit is just all concealer and foundation, which is very boring, but very important if you want your face to look nice. Then I contour my face, but I go really light-handed because I sit so close to these kids and I don't want them to like notice how much I have on. That's my setting spray and my earrings. Then I put on a ton of red lipstick and I use multiple shades so I can even contour my lips. And then lastly, I just pin my hair out of the way and add my wig cap. We're all fixed up and we're set up in our beautiful backdrop. And this is where we're keeping my good buddy Sebastian. He's so grumpy. No, he's crabby. I'm sorry. You're crabby. Avery's back there.
I get to hang out in this crate all day. I am watching on FaceTime what is happening outside the box because puppets.
There we go, got it.
I saw a baby. It was so little. There was a lot of babies, but there was one that they laid the baby down. She was cute.
You know what he is?
We'd use a lot of disinfectant so I could hold babies. We're all done, and we're heading home.
I'm so sore.
Poor Avery. He had to stretch a lot. I fell down. There's a video of that too.
We're recording it also.
Yes! I will do more fun things soon. I hope that everyone has magical, wonderful princess days, and they are mermazing, and they swim safely, and I'm sending you starfish kisses.